learning algorithm. That may be classification, that may be regression, that may be clustering. Are you getting my point? So that if I have a data in the format of the text and the number, that time what we use? Machine learning algorithm. Now, deep learning, if I have complex data means maybe image, maybe voice, maybe object, that's we call the what? Complex data. So what happened here? Anyone heard about the ASCII code? I hope everyone heard about the ASCII code. Why pen is not working? Pen is not working. No. I want to use the board. Pen board. When you disconnect, अरे यार ऐसे when to disconnect है ना, directly we are not able to use. User don't have enough permission. If we connect the HDMI cable, what will happen? I will get the pen now. Okay, leave it. Tomorrow I'll bring my pad so we can able to use sketch. Okay, so now here what happened? See, we know number. Everyone knows about the ASCII code. What is the long form? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So for each and every alphabet or each and every number, we have some specific code. So what is the code? That the particular one, A, B, C, that converted into the binary number. Am I correct? So now we know easily number and text easily are able to convert into the 0 and 1. Am I correct? So that's why we need to use the some machine learning algorithm. Then we get some kind of the complex problem. That may be image. So in the image what happened? Image basically consists the 2D data. Why 2D data? X-axis and Y-axis. Here are the matrices. Suppose if I break the image, what will get? We will get the pixels. Getting my point? So for each and every pixel there is some value. Suppose I am just taking the pixel. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. And now I am taking this one pixel. What will be the value? 0, 0. Am I correct? Then suppose we get the here 1, 1. Here we will get the 1, 0. Am I correct? I am getting my point. So now what happened? First one image is available to the 2D. Then we convert this one into the 1D with the help of the address of that particular pixel. Are you getting my point? So means that is the complex task. So that's why if we are getting the any image, so what happened? First one we need to convert this one into the 1D, 2D to 1D. So that's why this thing, that kind of the task we are able to do into the deep learning. So that if I want to get this kind of the data, that time we use the deep learning algorithms. Are you getting my point? And then same for the object. For the object what we get? We get the third direction. X-axis, Y-axis and then Z-axis. Am I correct? So suppose I am taking that this one is the one 3D model. So this one is the what we can say Y-axis, X-axis and the third one is the Z-axis. Am I correct? So now what happened? This one data will get in the 3 form. 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 1. Are you getting my point? So what we are doing? We are converting that 3D matrix into the 1D matrix. If I want to do that task, what happened? For this one, this kind of the complex problem algorithm is available into the deep learning. Are you getting my point? So if I take the strong AI or weak AI, what will be happen? If I am utilizing the maximum deep learning algorithms into the what? In artificial intelligence, what we call strong AI. And if I am using the maximum machine learning kind of the algorithm, that we call the what? Weak AI. So basically what happened? The main agenda is we are going to create the artificial intelligence using the machine learning model, using the machine learning algorithm or deep learning algorithm. When we start the supervised and unsupervised now, that type you will get the more information about this one. Now see what is the AI? AI means we are creating the smart machine to mimic a human behavior. And then what is the machine learning? It is a subset of the AI. It's a focus on the building the model that data to the training on a what? On a training data to make a prediction. Prediction means using the existing value, we are just what happened? Predicting the future value. If I am using the number or text, that time what we use? Machine learning algorithm. So this is the machine learning is a nothing but a subset of the AI. And the deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of the machine learning, or we can say subset of the AI. So what happened? We use this one to solve the complex problem. What is the complex problem? That may be image, that may be video, that may be audio. Are you getting my point? That may be object, 3D object. So that's if I have to do that kind of things, what we use? We use the deep learning. And machine learning and deep learning is algorithm is depend on the data only. Are you getting my point? Suppose we get the 1D data, which algorithm we use? Suppose we have 1D data, which algorithm we use? Machine learning algorithm. Are you getting my point? Suppose we have a 2D data, 3D data, 4D data, what we use? What we use? We use the deep learning algorithms. Are you getting my point? And what is the algorithms? Algorithm is the set of instructions. Are you getting my point? So here in a machine learning, no need to create our own algorithm. There is a lot of algorithm available onto the TensorFlow, Keras. Just we need to use the particular algorithm for our project, and we need to use the algorithm, we need to test the data, we need to train the data, and then we need to take the output. That kind of the things only we are doing in a machine learning problem. But here we need to understand which kind of the algorithm we need to choose. That is the important task for the any AI engineers. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So now here up to here